afternoon, students. Today I am going to take homework. Homework means what I am going to give, not that one. That is a lesson. Homework. Okay. Homework has historically been given to students to reinforce what they learn at school and ultimately to help them learn the material better. So why we are giving the homework? What you learn in the class, you have to remember sake to know the subject clearly. We are giving the homework, but not more homework. While we are giving the more homework, you will feel tired. Okay, ma? So how to give the homework? What is the use of the homework? What is the disadvantage of the homework? Like that they gave in this lesson. So teachers giving the homework means to know the subject clearly. That's the one point. Then next one. However, too much homework is not helpful. For example, 8 subjects are there. English, Telugu, Hindi, PS, NS, Social and Maths also. All these subject teachers given more homework, you won't do properly. You won't show the concentration. So, which is given by the teacher is less, you will be remembering all the answers perfectly. Okay, ma? So here, too much homework is not helpful to the student. Number one, teacher should give the homework but not more. When you give the more homework, it is not helpful. Then homework can take away the kids' social life, family time, and it limits their participation in sports or other activities. While you are taking more homework, you are taking away from the other activities like the games and sports and talking to the parents and going out, and there is no relationship between the parents and then kids. So what is the disadvantage? When we are taking the more homework, you are far away from the other activities. So while we given more homework, it is not useful. Then second one, you are far away from all the other activities. No parent, no talking, no nothing, no discussion, no clarifying the doubt. No time is there to spend your time with the parents. Then critically acclaimed author Tamin Ansari reports that since 1981, the amount of homework given to an average 6th class child has increased by more than 50%. Many people claim that the increase in homework dates as far back in 1957, the new competition that emerged served as an incentive for schools to try to increase the volume of the curriculum. Instead of giving the more homework, what the government taken the action in the year of 1957, they are providing more facilities to play in the games and sports and other activities. Why? Because both sides they should be active. In studies also active, they have to show the concentration, as well as and for sports and games also they should participate with the interest. Like in 1957 the government provided some incentive rules. Then many teachers defend large amounts of homework, clearing that is helps to prepare the students for a world that is becoming increasingly competitive. So what the teachers are thinking, when we give the more homework, they will be right in any other competition, they will be getting the more knowledge, like the teachers are thinking. But most probably clever students also there and sharp students also there. Then and by the side, then weak students also will be. So while we are giving the homework, we should be think about all the students in the mind. They can do or not, we have to think. So actually sometimes parents are also asking why you are not giving the homework, and some parents are coming and asking why you given this much of the homework. Like both sides also there. So here students also suffering and parents also suffering and teachers also suffering. So to cover all these, we have to understand the students while we are giving the homework. Then Dr. Rallo, author of the End of the Homework written by the Kralov, this is the author. So what he given the instruction, argues that doing homework during high school has little or no effect on successful study skills of the student when they join college. So this author was thinking, he written, while we are giving the homework that is not useful in the college studies. So while they are doing, they have no concentration. If they show the concentration, definitely it will be remembering in the mind. But here this author also saying there is no effect while they are entering in the other colleges, junior colleges. Excessive amounts of homework can be harmful. Excessive homework harmful to the kids both physically and mentally. While we are giving more homework, children are suffering physically and mentally. Some people are struggling with the homework. Some people are unable to understand what they are writing, what they are doing. They won't think anything. Physically and mentally, they are going to suffer. A lot of homework usually means a lot of books to carry. So, with this problem, all the students also facing. So, English, all the subject homeworks and material will be in the books, in the homework books, class homework, and what all they have to carry heavy load. Okay, so doing the homework means they have to bring all the books. Then a lot of homework usually means a lot of books to carry. 55% of the Massachusetts institution of the USA children, as per the survey of researchers of Simon College, carry loads heavier than 50% of their body weight. 50% of their body weight. That much of the books they were carrying and coming to school. Then, which is suggested limit carrying large amounts of weight daily at a young boy can do a lot of damage because the bones are still in development stage. So while the small boy, for example, third class, the bones are very delicate one. No? If the boy carries that much of the weight, what will happen? That bones will going to be damaged. These bones are not going to develop properly. Why? Because this boy was carrying that much of the weight of the books. So that is not the advantage. So physically, mentally also they are going to suffer, and automatically they are going to get so many diseases also. Then the commission has reported that in 1999 more than 800 kids, just remember, more than 800 kids treated in emergency wards for back pain. Why? Because they are carrying like this, no? So they'll get the back pain and related injuries. Injuries also they are going to face. Why? Because the bones are very delicate one. That's what the government not allowing. They should not take the step. All the students are going to suffer a lot physically and mentally. So here 800 students nearly they are in the hospital. They are admitted in the hospital because of the back pain and something. They are going to get the injuries also. The large amount of homework is causing kids in both high school and junior high school to be up until midnight or later. So they are spending more time till midnight. Mommy, I am not completing my homework. Still they are going on doing. But when they are going to do the homework in that way, morning they are unable to get a lack of sleep. If they go like that only in the class, they won't show the concentration to listen the lesson. So for all this, what is the main purpose, ma'am? We should not give the more homework. That's the first point. While we are giving the more homework, what is the problem? They'll get the back pain. They are going to admit it in the hospital. Mentally and physically also they are going to suffer. Number one is serious problems later in life, including chronic shoulder pain. Chronic shoulder pain. Why? Because they have to carry like shoulder pain, back pain, and sometimes injuries also going to face. So now one disadvantage. Then number two, then leaving them with an insufficient amount of sleep. Insufficient is a lack of sleep till midnight, maybe at 12 o'clock. While they are doing, they won't show the concentration. That too, second one, lack of sleep. Then third one, the eye disease also may occur. So all these problems they will face while they are doing the homework. So teachers should not give the more homework. While they are giving the more homework, they are mentally, physically, they are going to suffer. They are not going to spend most of the time with the parents and other activities also. So instead of that, all the teachers have to think and give the homework only which are the important, whether one or two or five like that. They should not give the more homework. Then the number of children who are overweight has doubled in the last 2-3 decades. Currently, one child out of five is overweight. The children are faced with more problems in schools. So while they are doing sitting hours together, while they are watching, they get the obesity. With the obesity, if they go school, all the children also all the children also teasing them. This is unable to bear. So one is obesity. Obesity with the problem, they are unable to do any work. Then when they are facing the problem, they have to take a rest. Then if the cases of obesity are growing most certainly due to lack of physical exercise. They have no physical exercise. There are no sports and game. They are not going out to spend some time leisurely. But instead of going out, they are sitting hours together and doing. With this cause, they will get the obesity. With this obesity, what are the problems they are facing? All the children are teasing them. So this teasing is a very bad habit. Okay, ma? Then homework also takes away the time that a kid could be spending with his or her family. Rather than spending time bonding and building strong family relationship, parents and children argue over homework. Then all the children should get the homework limited one, not unlimited one. When they get the limited homework, they'll do happily. They'll remember happily. They'll write the exams happily. While we are giving them more homework, what they'll do? They are tempting to copy from the other people because they have no patience to remember. They have no patience to write all the answers with the concentration. So what they will do? Automatically they will cheating. They will copying from the other books in the exams time. Then when assignments are given carelessly and frequently, it causes the student to lose interest in the subject. Not only that, but also they lose the subject. When they feel bored, no, oh, math, I can't, when the time going on, sing the watch. When the time period will going to be over, they lose their concentration in particular subject. So the subject teacher should maintain proper decency while they are giving the homework to get the attention to in that subject. Otherwise, they lose the interest and confidence and concentration in the subject. They feel difficulty. Oh, I don't want the subject. So, going to be absent also. Okay, ma? So, they lose the interest. Negative results can also occur when a student is not able to complete the homework. Many times they will resort to copying the homework. Just now I told. While they are not doing complete the homework, they will be tempting from the other books. So what the last session is, what the conclusion part is, this is not to say the homework should be abolished. No one should say homework should be abolished. But instead of abolishing, what we have to do? But it should be limited one. It should be limited one. The homework should also be creative one. While the teachers are giving not from the copy, so teachers should give the homework as a creativity and interesting so that the child enjoy. So enjoying, they have to do the homework. With the concentration, they have to do the homework. With the interest, they have to do the that. They have to spend the time while they are doing the whole. Like the teachers should give the homework, limited one. There should be creating one. There should be interesting one to enjoy. Student, they have to enjoy while they are doing the homework. So while we give this type of the homework, definitely the children will be developing in proper manner. They will be keeping everything in the mind. If they lose the interest in the subject, then never do. No, they never. While we are creating anything, they won't show the concentration. So homework should be given limited one, not unlimited one. Till midnight they should not do. While they are doing, they will get the more problem. One is the back pain and shoulder pain, and the eye disease also will come by because lack of sleep. So all those things to remove, you have to give the homework limited one. While we give the limited one, obesity also not face. They never fail. They will show the concentration and interest in the subject. They will be doing the homework in proper manner. So, have you understood this lesson now about the homework? Okay? Bye.